Good morning and welcome back to the Angry Poolman channel, where we learn how to treat our pool and our pool man. And it's Wednesday. That means we're here at Linduck Field. And a couple weeks ago we were here in like 90-degree heat here in San Diego County, and it's kind of pulled back. We probably have a 70-something here today, and the reason why people love living in San Diego. So this video is about the problem with Zodiac MX6s. As you might know, I love the Zodiac MX6. I feel it is the market's finest cleaner that money can buy. Side suction cleaner, that is. The problem with it is the hose, right? As you may know, it has its own Zodiac proprietary hose. And oftentimes, and I'm sure Zodiac MX6 owners can speak to this, is that they come and they find that their Zodiac hose is just basically disintegrated, and that means that it's probably sucking air, which is really bad for our pool and our pump. So what I'm going to do today is use what I call, and don't beat me up in the comments over this name, but this is called a gender bender, and it takes the Zodiac end and converts it to the standard end. Okay, and then I've also got some Poolwhale pool hose off Amazon. So $50, $8, it'll convert your hose into a standard hose, and you'll never come home and find this again. Okay, so not a big deal, no fuss, no muss, and you're never gonna have to see that again. So we have our Zodiac MX6 using our, I have found, now listen, if you want to just change it to the standard hose, that might be okay, but once again, you might be buying an inferior hose. And it has been my experience, and that's what I do here on this channel, is I try things out for you so you don't have to waste your money, is trying out these Poolwhale, and I'll leave a link in the description, these standard hoses. And I've had a really good experience, literally, like in the 2 years I've been replacing all of these hoses and using these, I have not replaced one, not one. So that's really good. That's what it's all about. So, and he's there to move freely. We use the floater, right? You can see the floaters there doing his job, keeping him upright so he doesn't climb the walls, because although he will climb the wall, he'll get dislodged pretty quickly. So he's cleaning the corners, doing his thing. He actually is designed to clean the water line tile. Like, that's amazing. But once again, I don't like to do that in this pool, because this pool is on the same, the equipment's on the other side of this wall, and it's all on the same level. So if he sucks air, now that's not good for the pump. It may or may not prime again. I guess I could install a check valve, but once again, if you guys got anything out of this, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment if you got something to say. I'm the original swimming pool fiduciary, working for you guys out here in the field. I'm the Angry Pool Man. Guys, be excellent to each other, and I'll see you on the next video.